This is how you can disable startup apps in Windows 11 to speed up your PC. Let's do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
So this is the Discord app that already got open when I turn on my laptop. So I want to stop this nonsense. All the apps like VPN and other apps like Discord already gets open when I don't want them to open. First of all, you have to type this task manager option, and from here tap on this startup apps and section on the left side, and here this is the list of all the auto start or that get auto start. So all you have to do is tap on there and disable.